Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I will look at different ways of copying information in Excel 2016. And I'm using the Copy Information workbook here to do that. And there are several ways of copying information. The easiest way is, of course, to just press the copy button right up here and then paste the information like that. And then you can keep pasting and pasting. So that's one way of doing it. Another way is to copy using the Control-C. You see that when you have the mouse over, you get Control-C there on the keyboard. That's a very useful way of doing it. So I'm copying that with Control-C on the keyboard, and then I paste with Control-V. Very, very useful. And if you don't know it already, it does work on all Windows software in general. So that's very, very useful. The Control-Z, that's another very useful keyboard shortcut that you really should learn. It's undo. It's also up here, of course, undo. But Control-Z is beautiful to know. If I copy that information again with a copy and paste that in several cells, you see I copied one cell, now I'm pasting it in 4. You get the same value in all of them. You might notice that now I got the formatting from the cell I copied also, not just the values. So I can always go into this and select which one I want to use. Which, if I just want to paste the values, this doesn't include the formatting at least. You can of course also copy several cells with Control-C again and paste several cells. That works too. And if I copy several cells and paste into that, it's the same principle. Just do values maybe. I can also copy by holding down the Control key while dragging and dropping. So you'll notice that it now has a little plus sign on the drag icon there. I'm holding down the Control key on my keyboard and just copying like that. I can do that again, of course, and again. And every time I paste now. But if I drag and drop like that, I don't get the option to select how I'm going to paste it. I just drag and drop like that. So I can of course do the same with single cells too, like that. I do have another way of pasting information which is nice too. Let's say you want to have this information, but you want to change the way it's oriented. Then of course you could drag and drop these things over like that, but that gets tedious, right? So instead of pasting like that, I can go into the paste. I go into the paste special, and there I can transpose the ones I want. And as you see, and now I selected the whole line. So let's do that again. Just select one cell, paste special, and transpose it like that, and then get it moved over. And of course you can do paste values like that too, so you'll get... Now if I paste values like this with transpose, then I get them over like that, but then I can't deselect the formatting, so I need to clear out the format and fix the format in the way I want. So I want no borders, and maybe I'll remove the bold and the italics there. So that concludes my demo on copying information. Thank you for watching.